Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to change your Cash App from business to personal. So open up Cash App and log into your Cash App account. So if you have already your business account set up, so if you want to change it to personal, so go to your profile here. So on your top right, click on your profile. So scroll down and you will see personal. So instead of personal you will see business. Since I have not changed mine to business yet, it says personal, but if you have already changed it to business, you'll see business here. Click on this business option, and then here when you scroll down here you will see an option called switch to personal. So switch to personal. So what are you going to do? You won't directly able to switch it to personal. What happens is when you tap on it, it will take you to the customer page here. So you got to contact the Cash App customer service and you got to let them know that your account, you are no longer doing a business and you're going to shutting to your personal account. So you got to reach out to them and then they will change your account for you to your personal. Unlike how you change it to business, you can't straight away do that. So you got to reach out to the customer support. Hope this information was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.